It's 26 degrees, the beach is packed, and it's Army weekend in full swing. Welcome to Weymouth. Welcome to Army Weekend. Join us as we explore the military displays, meet the veterans and enjoy the wonderful atmosphere along the seafront. Here are some highlights from the weekend's events. And as it's very hot here today in Weymouth, with temperatures reaching about 26 degrees Celsius, and the seafront is absolutely packed with visitors making the most of the sunshine and the fantastic atmosphere. From the historic military vehicles to veterans sharing their stories, with plenty to see and do, we take a look around this special event over the weekend. Well, whether you're here for Army Weekend or simply just enjoying a holiday by the coast, Weymouth is really looking at its best today. Well, let's continue walking up to Weymouth's amazing seafront. where the beach is buzzing with holidaymakers, making the most of this glorious weather and enjoying everything this wonderful seaside town has to offer. As you can see, Weymouth is looking absolutely fantastic today, with its golden sandy beach, traditional seafront and family friendly atmosphere. It's easy to see why so many people choose Weymouth for their summer holidays. So, let me know in the comments, would Weymouth be on your list for a 2026 holiday? If you've enjoyed this video of the highlights from Weymouth Army Weekend, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss another adventure. Anyway, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.